Hello lovelies, today I'll be putting on how to make this beautiful soap with just palm oil and lather so well. And I'll be teaching us how to use just one chemical compound to bleach the palm oil. I mean one chemical compound to bleach the palm oil. You don't have to be wasting your time doing it. Yes, and lo and behold, this is the chemical, the compound I'm using to bleach the palm oil is coming out so well. Look at it looking like starch. And then just this, you can have as much as this available in your store. And so that each time you want to bleach your palm oil, all you just need to use to just measure 5 ml of it. And lo and behold, that is enough for your bleaching. You don't have to stress yourself. And here is the palm oil. Sorry, I think I did not record when I drop it into the palm oil. And if you can see the palm oil, it will change. Yes, I didn't. It was I later realized I didn't record when I drop it in the palm oil. Already you can see the palm oil changing color. You see, so when you leave it for some time, it will eventually change color. Don't stress yourself using the two different chemicals to bleach it again, and then the knowledge that if you drop the first one, leave it for some time, let it react, then before you drop the second one, then you leave that one for some time. Okay, why wasting time? The strategy I use here is mixing them both and then storing them. And then each time I want it, all I just did, scoop the quantity I want to use and put it in my palm oil. And look at it, see the color it gave me. In fact, I don't need any other color. Some of the bleached palm oil with the chemical will give you yellow. It will give you something like close to BKO. Okay, this one just came out like that. I've had some like that. It came out with a yellow color like PKO, like real PKO. So it could just be as a result of the kind of palm oil that's reacted with the chemical. So there's no stress. The only thing in this one is that it has given you a color. And if you don't want this color, you can use the color you want. And so we are going to be making our soap now. Now listen. Don't ever bleach palm oil with chemicals if you are using it for bathing soap. Please don't ever use bleach palm oil with chemicals for bathing soap. So what I'm doing here is a laundry bar soap. You saw my palm oil was 300 grams, and then the caustic solution I made was just caustic soda 44 grams with 132 grams of water. And then of course I left it to dissolve for some hours, and you can see the outcome. Of course, make sure you put on your protectives, please, while you are handling lye. Please do that. Okay, so, and of course, you pour the lye solution into the oil. Reaction of lye and oil will give you soap, and that is what is happening now. And then each time you are mixing your soap, make sure it's always in the good trace, medium trace preferably, before you ever pour it into your mold. And once you are working like this, make sure your mold is very close to you. What you saw me pour is the fragrance, because I want the soap to smell so nice, so that when it's even used for soap, for washing of plates or for washing of clothes, they can smell fine. I have mixed it thoroughly, and I say this is very fine, looking fluffy, so nice. So it's time to pour it into my mold without wasting time. Avoid your batter forming thick trays while you are still mixing it. If not, it won't come out very well. And you can see the kind of mold I'm using. This one is called silicone mold. It's very good for molding. The shape comes out very well, and it makes the soap come out very well. If you are here to subscribe, why not hit that subscribe bell button, like it and share. Please do share it. And my number is written on the screen. It's very easy to make. You can contact me and make your request. And of course, you can drop your comments on the comment section. I will definitely read from you. And of course, I will answer you. Thanks so much. Look at how it came out. So lovely. Thanks so much for your time spent. God bless you. Of course, I will see you in my next video. God willing. Okay, look at how lovely it is. You can change the color if you desire. If this color is okay for you, why not leave it like this? Thanks so much. Custom 2 is the right place to be at a time like this. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye. Keep liking, keep sharing.